Hey. Yep. All right, brother. Stay busy, man. All right, Lee. Good to see you. Hey, what's happening? I had video 1 going. I had to cut it short, start it over. My friend came over and just wanted to say hello and see what I was up to. One of my working buddies. Well, anyway, we're doing the water outlet here. Thermostat is leaking out like no crap. Right up under here, it's just notorious for it. You see, just leaking out. So what we gotta do, we gotta disconnect your intake hose. Take your top hose off. It's a 8 mil or slot port. Pop that off. Intake sensor, other hose off. You got clips here. Take the clips out. Free this up and it slides out from the back. Set it off to the side nicely. Careful. The bottom part. You got an 8 mil. This one right here just slid right up. There wasn't no need to even take it out. 8 mil down here, 10 mil up top if I'm not mistaken. Then you got a little pop tab right here. Frees up, comes out as one piece. This is going to be a part 1 to it. It's going to be part 2s and 3s and 4s and 5s and probably hopefully not that far in. But I went on and made sure my pressure was low. Took my cap off. Now, unfortunately, we're about to lose a lot of coolant. I'm going to try to capture as much as I can, but it's time to start taking this thing apart, ladies and gents. All right, we're going to start by moving this, look like a coolant temp sensor there. Some type of sensor. All right, then. Right now, I'm just filling out the holes. Another way you can kind of see what you got to do is you see your new piece with your new holes. So I know there's 3 bolts that got to come out. This whole thing should just, pop right off. Kind of wondering about down here if there's any rings to go with it. It's pretty funky, but make sure I ain't got anything in the box. Nope, no new rings, so we'll see. I'm about to have at it. What we're gonna do is go it on. I like to pull the heater hoses first because that's the least amount of coolant that's gonna come out. James, what's good, bro? Yo. Homeboy James. Right, that's one. I like these little angled pliers. Work very well for hose clamps. Y'all didn't hear that. We're actually gonna get right on that sucker. Ooh, I know it's boring. But this is what has to be done. Non-edited video, I tell you. So if I smash my finger, y'all gonna hear me curse. I'm trying to lean on everything in the hood of the car because you can possibly break things or break tabs. And I was about to lean down and I realized, hey, that's the computer. Alright, I'm just trying to get a good grip. I gotta oil my pliers. Alright. Y'all heard that. That means I didn't get it. Unsuccessful. What y'all say? Fail. Alright, this time we're gonna get it. 3rd time is always a charm with me. I hope so. I'm recording. And I'm not editing. And it is. Letting off a little bit. Get another good grip on it. And those are the clips I'm pulling. See that? And that way, I'm gonna have coolant spewing out this thing like no tomorrow. But I'm gonna pull all the hoses at once. I'm gonna flip this one up, flip this one up, flip them 2 up so we don't lose too much coolant. We're gonna lose it anyway, so. After I do that, I'm just gonna mimic what I see. I got 3 holes, I'm gonna take them holes out. And then I shoot another video. Y'all stay tuned.